this is Norman's class, room 36. This is Norman in my backyard, and I miss all you guys. And normally we would be doing plants in our classroom, but since we can't be there, I'm going to plant the plants for us, and you guys can participate by watching and learning. The plants that we're going to plant today are some peas and corn. And I want you to use your Seesaw journal and record in it when you think they will first germinate or sprout. Okay, how many days do you think it will take? Which one do you think will come up first, the peas or the corn? And we all did some planting together. If you remember, way back in the fall, out in our garden, we all planted some wheat. And you might remember we just made small little areas, and then we put it in about an inch or so. Might have put it in a few 2 inches, but in this case, I'm gonna put the seeds, spread them apart, give them some room, and push them down into the soil about an inch. I'm gonna pop them all in across, and then I will push them down in about 1 inch. So, and we've studied inch, about that big, if you guys remember our inchworm rulers that we made. Okay, so we'll push those in, and that's the front row, and then I'm gonna cover those all up with dirt. Good. And I want you to be thinking about, and write this in your journal too, what are the things that these seeds are going to need in order to grow into nice big plants? Obviously, we've got the seed part here and the soil, but I want you to write and draw, you can draw a picture of it as well, the other things that are necessary in order for these seeds to grow. Are you thinking about that? And I'm going to put all these in here and cover it up. So this is the peas, and I got a couple extra, so I'm just going to stick those down in on the sides. See how that works. Now hopefully they'll all sprout and they'll all grow, but there's a chance that some may not, for whatever reason. That can happen. All right, so next I'm going to do the corn. To make a couple rows. With the corn, I'm gonna do it about the same. It says you can put it in 1 inch to 1.5 inches, but I think 1 inch will be good. I don't know if you could see it, but it almost looks like popcorn. It's kind of cool, but that's how they look. And I'm gonna stick one in there, and there goes an airplane flying overhead. Just gonna poke these in across, and then I'm gonna cover them up. I got 1 row, and now I'm gonna do the back row. That was the front. And so we will be checking on these over time. We'll take a look at them, and we're going to have to take care of them, and I want you to think about the critical things that are necessary to make these grow their optimum. What else am I going to need? I need something else, a couple more factors involved, and besides just the dirt and the seeds. Okay, so these are the corn. And then this garden right here, this is Captain Norman's garden, and he's growing some carrots. So when we're out here, we might check on those. And he's got something popped up over here already. And then some peas. Peas are sweet peas. They're snow peas. They're a little bit different than the kind of peas that we're planting. And then some radishes, so we can check the progress and see if those grow faster than these ones. These kind of are snap peas, they call them super snappy. All right, so I want you to write that down in your journal, draw some pictures, and make some good predictions on what you think. And how, oh, also be thinking about how tall, when they're finished growing, how tall do you think they're going to get? Remember how big the wheat is going to be taller than you if it's not already. All right, signing out. Goodbye.